Things to remember after breakup. It's natural to feel sadness, anger, or confusion after a breakup. Allow yourself to experience these emotions and give yourself time to heal. Reach out to friends, family, or a therapist for support. Talking about your feelings can help you process your emotions and gain perspective. Take care of your physical and emotional well-being by getting enough sleep, eating healthily, exercising, and engaging in activities that bring you joy. If possible, establish boundaries with your ex-partner to give yourself space and time to heal. Avoid unnecessary contact or reopening old wounds. Take time to reflect on the relationship and what you've learned from it. Use this as an opportunity for personal growth and self-discovery. Keep yourself occupied with activities, hobbies, or projects that you enjoy. This can help distract you from negative thoughts and emotions. While it may be tempting to seek comfort in a new relationship, take the time to heal before jumping into something new. Rebound relationships may not be healthy in the long run. Forgiveness doesn't mean condoning or forgetting what happened, but it's about releasing the anger and resentment you may be holding on to. Forgiving your ex-partner and yourself can help you move forward. Instead of dwelling on the past, focus on the future and the opportunities it holds. Set new goals, make plans, and look forward to new experiences. Healing takes time, and it's okay to have ups and downs along the way. Be patient and compassionate with yourself as you navigate the healing process. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.